In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your age and date of birth on your TikTok account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your TikTok account and then click on your profile icon here. From here, you should see a menu bar on top. Go ahead and tap on it and then go to settings and privacy down below. From this, go to account section and tap on account, and then go to account information. From here, you should be able to see your details such as phone number, email, and even date of birth. To change your date of birth, go ahead and tap on it, and then you can adjust your date of birth as you wish. So go ahead and tap on your date of birth to make any change on this. So that's how you can change your date of birth on your TikTok account. However, you have to note that there might be a limit on how frequent you can change your details of birth. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.